Welcome to our ultimate guide on building castle defenses in Bannerlord 2025. Get ready to fortify your stronghold. Location is key. Choosing the right spot can make all the difference in your defensive strategy. Every strong castle needs formidable walls, towering watchtowers, and secure gates. Let's build them right. Garrisoning your castle with the right troops is crucial. Choose wisely for maximum defense. Don't forget siege equipment. They play a vital role in both defending and countering enemy assaults. Placement is everything. Let's look into strategic positioning of defensive structures and units. Use the environment to your advantage. Traps can catch your enemies off guard. To sustain a strong defense, ensure your supply chains are effective. Resources are crucial in battle. When facing multi-front attacks, planning is critical. Let's discuss effective defense tactics. With these strategies, you'll master castle defense in Bannerlord 2025. Good luck out there.